Welcome to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're excited to talk about Google's upcoming smartphones in the Pixel 9 series, Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL. Let's dive into what these new phones have to offer. Google Pixel 9 Pro XL on Geekbench. The Pixel 9 Pro XL recently showed up on Geekbench with impressive specs, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and the latest Android 14. Powered by the new Tensor G4 processor with faster speeds than before. Processor and performance. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has an octa-core processor on a Komodo motherboard with a shader pixel governor and a Mali G715 GPU. It features a prime core at 3.1 GHz, 3 performance cores at 2.6 GHz, and 4 efficiency cores at 1.95 GHz. Suggesting it uses the new Tensor 4 chip. Tensor G4 details. The Tensor G4 has a 1 plus 3 plus 4 core setup, including a Cortex X4 prime core, 3 Cortex A720 cores, and 4 Cortex A520 cores. The Cortex X4 offers 15% better performance and 40% better power efficiency. The A720 cores are 20% more efficient, and the A520 cores have a 22% gain in efficiency. Benchmark scores. Here are the benchmark scores. Note these are pre-release and subject to change. Pixel 8 to 877,000 points. Pixel 9 to 1,716,216 points. Pixel 9 Pro 1,148,452 points. Pixel 9 Pro XL 1,176,410 points. Conclusion. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Future Phone Flash for more tech updates. Stay tuned for more news, and see you in the next video. Peace out.